Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup out of a can. First, carefully open your can of soup. Then pour the contents into a microwave-safe bowl or a saucepan. For a thinner consistency, add 1 can of water. If you prefer a creamier soup, consider using milk instead. This simple step prepares your soup for heating. You have 2 main options for heating your soup. For quick preparation, microwave it on high for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring once. Alternatively, heat it on the stovetop over medium heat, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Always ensure your soup reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and optimal enjoyment. This ensures it's perfectly warm. To elevate your canned soup, consider adding some simple flavor boosters. A pinch of black pepper or dried herbs like parsley can make a big difference. For a little heat, a few drops of your favorite hot sauce work wonders. You can also stir in fresh vegetables such as spinach or diced carrots for added nutrition and texture. Get creative with your pantry. Once your soup is perfectly heated and seasoned, it's time to serve. Garnish with fresh chopped chives or a dollop of sour cream for an extra touch. It pairs wonderfully with classic crackers, a slice of crusty bread, or even a grilled cheese sandwich. Now you can enjoy a warm, comforting, and surprisingly customizable meal from a simple can of soup. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.